Whether it's your first time logging into Innago or your 99th, you're always going to start with our dashboard. Now, our dashboard is designed to give you as much relevant information and access to as many relevant features as possible in a simple, easy to digest manner. So first and foremost, you've got your collection stat. You can see collected, you can see processing, you can see outstanding. You have a good understanding of everything going on when it comes to your income. We've also got our unsigned leases and documents. We have applications processing. You can see your maintenance tickets. You can see your occupancy statistics. And very importantly, we have two features available to you. Record payment, somebody hands you a paper check, cash, etc., and the add tenant button. Any of these widgets are interactive. So if you want to jump into those open maintenance tickets, you simply click on one of them. If you want to look at that application and review it, just click it and we'll take you there. All right, with that being said, let's start by adding some tenants into Innago. And that gives us an opportunity to choose which property we want to add tenants to. Now, we don't have any properties in this account, so we'll start by clicking New Property. We can put in details like our address, our property name, our property type, our tags. Once we've done that, we'll enter all of our units, and we can assign property settings, like the bank account you want funds to deposit into. Once you've created your property, you can then select that property and move forward to start adding tenants. When adding tenants into Innago, we can do month-to-month leases, fixed-term leases. We can handle HOA if you're managing homeowners associations. You'll put in things like their rent amount and the additional fees that they have. Once you're done entering your tenants, entering all the details about the terms of their lease, you get to the final step of that lease signing process, which is, of course, getting the lease signed. With Innago, you can send your documents to be signed through our platform. You can pick any number of documents to send out at this point. All of those can be included and distributed to any number of your tenants that you've added into Innago. Once we've sent that off for signature, we're going to shoot the tenants an email letting them know that they have a document waiting to be signed and that they've been invited to Innago. We'll notify you once those are signed as well. So now we're ready to start collecting rent. Our tenants are in Innago, rental invoices have been generated, so we go to the income page. On the income page, you'll be able to see all of your invoices. If we click on an invoice, we have a few different options. We can edit the invoice, we can delete the invoice, we can record payments against that invoice. It's all available to you here right on the income page. And what's more, on all of these pages throughout Innago, you'll almost always see an export button. You can click this export button and it's going to download that entire page of data with whatever filters you have in place. All right, I'm going to hit a couple other important features here in Innago. We're going to start with applications and screening. In Innago, you can create your own custom application. Now, if you don't want to, if you don't need to, if you're not sure which questions to ask, we will give you a default application that can get you started right away. As those applications come in, they'll be available for your review here on the applications page. You can approve, you can reject, you can request additional screening if there's more information that you need to move forward. It's all right here for you. All right, next up, let's talk about messaging. So we offer a few different ways to do that. First of all, you can, of course, send an email message out to your tenants, whether it's to one particular tenant, a group of tenants, an entire property, or your whole portfolio. We also support chat messaging. It's easy to shoot them a chat. It's going to show up on their phone. If they haven't checked that chat in a little while, we'll send them a text message letting them know that they have a new message from you. Next up, let's talk maintenance. Innago allows your tenants to submit maintenance requests directly through the platform. This is a feature you can turn off, but if you need assistance from us, your tenants can submit those tickets. They'll include pictures, video, descriptions, etc. You can comment back and forth. You can add maintenance personnel that are on your team to interact with those tickets as well, to respond to them. It's all right here for you when you need it. Next up is expenses. Here you can record expenses, you can create payees, vendors, people you're paying out to. All of it's available here within the page. All of it's exportable, downloadable as a PDF if your CPA needs it. Next up is listings. Listings are how you're going to attract tenants to your properties. We syndicate to a number of different websites. That includes Zillow and the entire Zillow network, Realtor.com, Zumper, and Rental Source. All in all, it's double-digit number of websites that we're going to publish your listing to anytime you need to find a new tenant. You can create a listing, you can reuse a listing, you can share it directly through a URL that we provide you, and the tenants can apply right on that listing. Lastly, but for many of you most importantly, Innago does support a mobile app for you landlords and property managers. This makes it easy for you to take all of these features with you on the go, whether you're out at a property, whether you're at your kid's soccer game, you can easily pull up Innago and access the information you need to. Likewise, your tenants also have access to an excellent mobile app. Finally, one of the most common questions we get here at Innago is asking, how the heck is this free? I assure you, we are truly free to use. All of the features I've mentioned today come at no cost. We do charge for a few things within Innago. Those are all charged to your tenants by default. If you want a very clean, simple breakdown of those charges, just go to our pricing page on our website. There is nothing hidden there. It's all listed. It's all available to you.